Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video, to be fair, today it's been so hot in London. I've been enjoying the weather with little Oakley before he starts school on Thursday, which I'm so excited for. So I hope you're really enjoying the weather and making the most of it. You know, we're in the mid-September and we're getting this gorgeous weather here in London. If you're in London or if you're in the UK, I hope you're getting the same weather, and wherever you are in the world, I hope you're all safe and well, okay? So today's video, I wasn't sure what to do. I didn't want to do like a full haul because it is really hot out there. I'm sitting in my room here. This is the coolest place in the house right now. So what I thought I'd do, I'll give a shout out. I'm going to give a shout out to someone here on YouTube, okay? Now this person doesn't know that I'm going to be doing this. She's got no idea whatsoever, but I'm doing this for her kindness, okay? So the shout out is going to be to Marcia. Yes, Marcia, if you're watching, Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life, okay? So Marcia has her own YouTube channel. You might have seen me collaborate with her and a few other ladies on this platform in the past. So I have known Marcia for a few years now, and we kind of reconnected through lockdown and also through YouTube, okay? So thanks to YouTube for that as well. You know, you connected so many people together, it's unbelievable. So the reason why I'm giving the lovely Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life a shout out today is because she's such a wonderful girl. You know, we kind of help each other out. We're kind of like personal shoppers to each other, I would say. Her more so because where she lives, most of the shops that we like to go to are close by to her. So to cut a long story short, I'm going to rewind to last week, okay? So a few people have been posting up their autumnal decorations and their autumnal homeware items that they've got. And I was after one particular item, which I think you guys have guessed it, because it was something that I was actually after from last year as well, but I missed out on it last year. So it came out in Home Bargains this year, and so a lot of other YouTubers have been showing it on their channels, and I'm just absolutely obsessed, okay? So Home Bargains came out with the glass pumpkin jar, guys. Yes, you heard right. Glass pumpkin jar. And I was after one, okay, and I couldn't get my hands on one. So our nearest Home Bargains is a little bit away from the house. But the lovely Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life managed to pick one up for me in her local Home Bargains. And I'm just absolutely, I was so happy. You know, we were both on the hunt for these glass pumpkins, okay. I called several Home Bargain stores local to me and they said the same thing. Lots of people have been calling up to see if they've got any stock in, and they wasn't sure whether they're going to get any more in the day that I called, okay? So Marcia was actually doing the same. She called up a few of her local stores and one particular store had 2 left, which meant one for Marcia, of course, and one for me. So Marcia called me, she said, Amanda, guess what? I've got the pumpkins. I'm going now to pick them up. This was early Saturday morning. We wind into last week. So she's got the glass pumpkins. She's going to go and pick them up. They reserved 2 for her. And I was just absolutely so happy for that she's managed to do that for me. So going back to the reason why I'm shouting at Marcia, she's such a nice, kind, lovely girl. She's got her own YouTube channel, which is Marcia's Fab Life. And I would love for all of you guys to go over and subscribe to Marcia's channel and make her day. And I'll also link her channel in the description box, okay? So on Marcia's channel you can find her doing come shop with me's, and she also does shopping hauls as well. So I absolutely love her come shop with me's because I'm literally writing down my little shopping list as she's going around with the camera. Her footage is so on point. You know, she captures every item and you can see the prices as well. So do go over and check out Marcia's channel, subscribe to her channel, make her day, guys. She's working so hard on this platform like all of us are, and I'd just like to give her a big shout out, and I think she'd really appreciate it as well. She doesn't know that I'm doing anything like this at all. It's going to be a big shock to her as well. So hi Marcia. Yes, I know I spoke to you today and I didn't mention nothing about this. So it's a bit of a surprise for you. But, you know, I'd like to say thank you to you for being such a good friend. And I wish you all the success with your YouTube channel, okay? So don't forget, guys, go over and check out Marcia's channel. If you're new to this channel, my channel here, amandaoakince, do consider subscribing also, you know, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. So today, I thought I'd do this video because I was thinking, what can I do today as a video for you guys? And I thought it's too hot to actually do a full haul. But I've got a few shopping hauls coming up on the channel. So make sure your notification bells are switched on. And I hope you can appreciate this video, giving a shout out to Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life. So that's it for now, guys. Oh, I forgot to show you. Oh my goodness, I forgot to show you the item that Marcia picked up for me. Here it is here, guys. So it comes in this purple box and it is a pumpkin glass sweet jar. I'm going to take it out and just show you guys, okay? Lovely glass lid. Oh my goodness. So look how gorgeous this is, guys. I'm going to put the lid on like so, and it's perfect to put little sweets in there, like leading up to autumn, leading up to Halloween. You know, I'm not going to go crazy this year with the whole Halloween decoration. I've got so much from last year. I have picked up a candle from Poundland, which I think you saw in my last Poundland haul. If you haven't seen that video, I'll also link it in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out that video, okay? And also I've got a mashup kind of like Halloween autumnal haul coming up on the channel very soon. I'm just waiting to get Oakley to school on Thursday, because it's going to be his first day on Thursday. So that's why I've been a little bit scarce on YouTube. Been preparing him for school, getting him to bed early and all the rest of it. So he's so excited to start on Thursday. I'm also excited. It's a new chapter in our family schedule and our family life. So yeah, we're all excited for this. But yeah, guys, this is the pumpkin. This is the glass pumpkin that the lovely Marcia managed to pick up for me from Home Bargains. I'm not sure if Home Bargains have any of these left. I was calling around the whole of South East London and the whole of London stores to see if they had any in stock, and I was told they get them in really early in the morning and they go out of stock straight away. So if you're after one of these, it might be worth getting down to the store when they open the doors, because I'm a little bit late to the party, to be fair, but I'm just so happy that I've got one. I'm ever so grateful to Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life for picking this up for me from Home Bargains in Charlton. Yes, Charlton, Greenwich. So yeah, really happy for this. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. And I shall see you very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.